How to make Pisces man fall in love with Pisces woman. When a Pisces man and Pisces woman come together, the connection can feel like a dream, full of emotion, depth, and spiritual harmony. But to turn that emotional potential into lasting love, a few key steps can help deepen the bond. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 straightforward ways on how to make a Pisces man fall in love with a Pisces woman. 1. Speak through emotion. Pisces men feel more than they say. Share feelings openly and gently. Let him know he is understood, not judged. 2. Dream together. He's drawn to fantasy and imagination. Talk about your dreams, goals, and even wild ideas. It builds a deeper connection. 3. Be soft and supportive. Offer emotional safety. Be someone he can trust and lean on, especially when he feels lost or overwhelmed. 4. Show your spiritual side. Pisces men are often spiritual. Meditate together, talk about meaning, or share quiet moments of reflection. 5. Let vulnerability show. Don't be afraid to show your fears or emotions. He connects through shared honesty and softness. 6. Avoid pressure. Pisces doesn't respond well to control. Be patient and let the relationship grow naturally without forcing it. 7. Respect his space. Sometimes he'll need to be alone with his thoughts. Don't take it personally, he needs space to recharge. 8. Keep romance alive. Little things mean a lot: music, surprises, kind words. Pisces men thrive on romantic gestures. 9. Set gentle boundaries. Be loving but clear. Pisces men can get lost in emotion, so calm structure helps keep things balanced. 10. Be his safe haven. More than anything, he wants to feel at peace with you. Create an atmosphere of calm, kindness, and care. If you're wondering how to make a Pisces man fall in love with a Pisces woman, focus on emotional connection, spiritual closeness, and romantic energy. Together, you can create a bond that feels like pure magic. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.